家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for our daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 我大家好，我係美甲。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. It's all about adjectives this month. 这个月呢，都要教一些蛮有趣的形容词，像说有时候我看到一些朋友或同事，他很细心、小心、周到的那种感觉，
好棒哦！
是不是客语有这样子的词句呢？
有 say 十 say 一
say 十 say 一，
或是說 say 呢
say 呢 being very attentive or careful, for instance. Okay, so let's teach you this phrase. 他小心周到的交接工作事宜。He was very attentive in handing over the job.
佢 say 十 say 一嘅
佢 say 十 say 一嘅
交接
交接
條路空嘅事情，
條路空嘅事情，條路就是工作上的一些事情了
工作上的事項事情。
对，就非常的小心周到。
那其实我们的按 say 呢啊，又跟小心翼翼不一样了。啊，你按 say 呢，不是按 say， 不用那么客气啦，来就好了啦。
还带什么礼物啊？其实还是很开心。Okay, so in the Hakka, that phrase could also mean you're too polite. You know, thank you so much. You're very attentive and polite at the same time.
用按 say 呢喏，
用按 say 呢喏，
人來超好，
人來超好。
閒帶電路來，
閒帶電路來。So let's review some of the phrases, including a gift, 禮物，
電路，
電路 and a job, 工作，
條路，
條路 and then finally to be very attentive, 就是很細心、很小心周到的。
say 十 say 一
say 十 say 一，
也可以說 say 呢
say 呢 two ways of saying that. And there you have it, all about Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.